Okay, here we go. It's Friday, August 11th. I'm not expecting good things, y'all. It's been a rough week. I ordered out a few times. One time, I really went overboard with the cheese, so there was that. But at least 3 times this week, I also went way over my calories.
Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is going to be a quickie wham bam go candy ma'am video. This is her weigh-in from the Saturday update that she did, and I'll show that in a second. We also have a community tab update with more weigh-in updates, as well as I want to go over her about section because she did look. It looks like recently she updated that as well. But guys, before I do get started, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment if you want, and become a Bean member. I have memberships to help support the channel that way if you want to. So let's listen to Candy's Saturday weigh-in.
All right.
Hello,
Hi.
it's ready.
Okay. Alrighty.
£412.2.
For 12.2. Okay, well, that's better than yesterday at least. Oh, it's blurry. Okay. For 12.2. Alright, well, from yesterday, at least it's going back in the right direction. Lord.
Goodbye.
Bye.
So there you have it. 412.2. She is down 0.2 from the previous week, and she makes it no secret that she has sort of not been quote unquote good. The last week she ordered takeout. She's been going over her calories. And even though she did order takeout, it still adhered to the Ketovore, Carnivore stuff. But she knows that caloric wise, not good. Now, this is why I think Candy is different than a lot of our girls. Just that weigh-in alone, you would never see anyone else with the quote-unquote weight loss channels or trying to lose weight ever do that. As well as she's pretty upfront about what she eats. She's upfront about her past and getting into that. So she did update her about section on YouTube, which I never noticed before. It does say, I'm Candy Godiva, a former adult fetish model who has created eating and other fetish content on the internet since 2002. It's no big secret. And that's another thing. She's upfront about her past. She's upfront about her children and giving them up because of her addiction issues. All of this she's upfront about. And we all have pasts, but she is not hiding it, not maybe even ashamed of it. She knows that's who she was, but she did go and update it, and I'm going to skip to the last part here. This is no longer a mukbang channel, but I don't want it to become a diet or weight loss channel either. I want it to just be about me and what I'm living from week to the next. Right now, getting healthy is going to be my main focus. It's going to be a battle for me, but I'm prepared for it. Thank you all for joining me here. I truly appreciate it, Candy. So there, she updated her channel, black and white, no longer doing the mukbangs. I don't know if that will deter any of the feeders, the people who want to see her eat and gain weight, the moan lovers with her moaning with every bite. don't know if that will deter them because I don't think they'll go to that. But at least she has put a boundary in and said, listen, this is no longer a mukbang channel. It's going to be focused on me and my progress with my weight loss, not necessarily a weight loss channel per se. Now, I do want to say this. Do I think Candy is out of the woods? Absolutely not. Do I think she still needs professional help? 100%. I do believe this will only sustain her for so long. And especially mentally, she does need help there. But let's get into the new weigh in because she's lost a little bit more weight. So this one says 6 months of progress. Check out that drop. Weight loss is not linear, but when progress is made, then the actual effort is apparent. My end goals are solidified, and I see myself as I am meant to be, out in the wilderness, having all the adventures I've longed for. Yeah, I'm here for like a Candy lumberjack arc. It's not about a number on the scale. Ultimately, it's about being mobile, active, strong, and able to get out there in nature, living that quote unquote witch of the woods life. No fear, only freedom. Thank you, everyone, for all the love and support you've shown me along the way. And you can see she's 4'11". Guys, keep in mind this is not her start weight when she actually started weighing in. It was 452. She's down I guess almost 40 pounds now. So yay, Candy. Look at that. Pew drop. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. Just a quick Candy update. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.